You build a plumbing business the customers rave about by combining fast, honest communication with consistently excellent workmanship, then following up after every job to make sure the customer is truly happy, not just satisfied. Here's something most plumbing business owners never think about. Customers do not just remember whether the pipe got fixed, they remember how they felt while a stranger was working inside their home. That means your appearance, your tone of voice, and even whether you wipe your feet matter almost as much as your technical skill. A trick that top-rated plumbers use is sending a text with a photo and short bio of the technician before they arrive, so the homeowner feels safe instead of anxious. Another secret is showing the customer the old broken part and explaining in plain words what went wrong, because people trust what they can see and understand. Doing this builds so much trust that customers often skip getting other quotes next time. Small moments of honesty and clarity turn a one-time repair into a lifetime customer. One common mistake is quoting a price over the phone without seeing the job, which often leads to arguments later. The fix is to always do a quick video call or in-person look before locking in a number. Another mistake is disappearing after the job is done, when a simple follow-up call or text 2 days later asking if everything is still working great can turn a happy customer into someone who refers 5 more people. A lot of business owners also forget that reviews do not happen automatically, so you have to ask for them at the perfect moment, right after the customer thanks you for a job well done, not days later when the memory is faded. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.